Ruthven Barracks in Kingussie, United Kingdom. Remains of a stone fort and garrison built in the 1700s on the site of a medieval castle. Thank you for joining M&M Life on Purpose on our United Kingdom road trip. Today we're traveling from Inverness to Edinburgh.
I'm Sam Hewen and I play Jamie Fraser, the dashing warrior hero of the hit TV drama Outlander. Of course, in the show, the castle goes by the fictional name Castle Leoch.
Did you see the gargoyle face?
We are driving out to Doune Castle. Filming locations include Monty Python's Holy Grail. It was the Knights of Ni versus the French on the wall scenes. Outlander's Castle Leoch, Clan Mackenzie, and Game of Thrones. It was Winterfell for the pilot scenes of the series. There are restrictions about indoor filming for movies in the castle. While this did serve as the backdrop for several films, castle interiors were reconstructed at other locations. Doune Castle was built at the end of the 1300s for Robert Stewart, Duke of Albany. The castle was used as a royal retreat and hunting lodge for the Scottish monarchs, including Mary, Queen of Scots. The castle gradually fell out of use. Eventually, it was leased to the state and is now cared for by Historic Scotland and is open to the public for visits. During the Jacobite uprisings of 1745, Doune Castle was occupied by Charles Edward Stuart and his followers. It was used as a prison for government troops, a number of whom were imprisoned here by the Jacobites after the Battle of Falkirk. Doune Castle is 8 miles northwest of Stirling and is one of the best preserved medieval castles in Scotland. There is a small parking lot and fee for entry, and you are also able to get an audio recorded tour which explains a lot of the history of the castle. Central hearth. A view from high table where Albany, his wife, and his most privileged guests would have sat. Privy area only for the high table.
Sheep's bladder and served with a rich sauce.
Entire village set was built out here for the filming of Outlander.
It's worth remembering that when the Duke and Duchess were at home, the castle would be busy for a long time. It would take a bit of time.
We're weeping.
So first of all, we are the knights who say nay. I don't want to talk to you no more. You empty-headed animal food trough wiper. I fought in your general direction. Your mother was a hamster and your father smelt of elderberries.
Oh my
This
God.
is his reaction to me doing this. So I'm doing this recording just as a memory device because I don't want to forget this. Michael was like, we're going to attack Stirling from the north, and so we all went off on this big jaunt about how we've acquired the western coast of England, or Northern Ireland and Scotland, and we've taken the north, and now we march on Stirling from the north and, you know, plan to sack Edinburgh and London.